Alright guys, this is a 2004 Nissan Quest, and I'm going to try and take the Firewall catalytic converter in the back of the van, and there's not a lot of videos on this. There's a video of a guy that did it, but he just didn't show how to do it. He just showed a picture. I'm gonna attempt this. As I go, I'm gonna record. Basically, the catalytic converter is right there, the one in the back. Then there's one in the front that's easy to take from the front, but the one in the back right there, it's like, let me just show you. There's two bolts in the bottom that I already took off, and there it is. I looked at YouTube, and this guy that I'll put the link in the description of the video that I saw, but he didn't really show how to do it. He just showed that he did it through the wheel well. So I took off the wheel so far, and this is what it looks like. Remember, this is a 2004 Nissan Quest. If it's a different year, it might look different, but there's the cat, and the two bolts that I took off, that's one, and then the other one's on the other side. I guess there's another bolt on the top there, that's the one that I got to take off. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna continue. Once I take something off, I'll record it again and show you guys if it helps somebody.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right guys, I'm back. I still haven't been able to take this off, so I think I'm gonna say the guy that did it, maybe what he did was, he said he first took it off from the top. Maybe he forgot to put the shield back, and then he said a second time he went back and he did it. This is impossible. It's not really, because you have to get to that shield, and this is what you got to work with. This is the room you got to work with. You don't have anything else at the bottom to work with, so it's just impossible to reach over. Let me see if I can show you with the camera. It's just impossible to reach over here to get this shield out. So I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna call this quit, and I'm gonna probably get it from the bottom. If anybody knows how to do it, look, this is the shield that you got to take off right there. That's that shield. So if anybody finds a way to do that from the wheel well, go ahead. You're welcome to do another video. Bye bye.